Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to a lot day. So, very exciting day. We got the DRZ running again. So after replacing the alternator, the rectifier, taking off the headlight, we decided to go wire by wire because it still wasn't holding the charge. And we found that there was a corroded wire coming out of the rectifier to the battery. So we cut that and spliced it, and now she is charging up. So the DRZ is back. So it's the end of 2019, so I figured I'd just let you guys know what's going on in Photogromer's life. That way you guys are up to date. We can start 2020, a new decade with you know, some good news. So we're like T-minus 20 days until Princess Gromer is due, my little daughter, my second child. So trying to get these last minute lot days in before I'm on diaper duty for, you know, a couple weeks on that first couple weeks when we're getting to know her and settling in and everything. But a couple things happened in 2019 that I'm pretty happy about. One, purchased this 2019 brand new, my first brand new vehicle, Toyota Tacoma TRD 4x4 Sport. Go ahead, have fun. If you want a headlight, it just, there you go. So anyway, so pretty excited and happy about that. Finally got a pickup truck, got rid of the 4Runner. I got a hauler device, so this is really cool. This is called Ready Ramp. I'm gonna do a dedicated video on it, but this is a ramp and a bed extender. Since the Grom tires hang out, the DRZ tire hangs out. It extends the bed so you can put other things in there, and then it just acts as a ramp as well. That way it doesn't take up space. On top of that, something really cool, which we're gonna be showing you today. This is kind of the main part of the video, is the Onewheel Pint. Super excited about that little guy. That's a little knee breaker there, but it's been about a week or two since I did some wheelies, so let's do some wheelies. The last ride I went on, my stainless steel lines, my Thailand lines, burned through on my exhaust, so I got some new lines from Coromoto, and I replaced the handbrake. So the Master, it's still an Adeline, but it's like a newer version of Adeline. So this is gonna be like the first test to make sure everything works. So let's do some wheelies, then we'll jump on that one wheel and play with that for a little bit. Everyone can wheel the DRZ but me. So 2020, I'm excited that the DRZ will be back in the picture. We got to spend some more time with that little girl. But first, let's make sure this handbrake works. I'll just start off with some stand-ups. I thought John was going to St. Pete. There's like a Tampa float crew, which is like the local one-wheel crew, like a Tampa Grom squad. I thought you were going to St. Pete.
I'm not. Here I am.
Yeah, I see you.
No one wheels for me tonight.
I brought it, the Pint.
Did you?
Yeah.
I haven't ridden the Pint yet. I want to ride it.
Do you have the Hoosier on yours? Like the curvier one? Yeah, that's what they say it's like. Let's get why you guys are really here. All right, so here she is. You guys on Instagram already saw it. The Onewheel Pint. Got it in slate black, but then I put some Craft and Ride white rails on it, so they just stick on, and then a under plate thingamajiggy skid plate. I really like the black and white theme, as you guys can see. So kind of went with that with this guy, and then I put my Photogromer sticker on sideways or a little crooked, so anybody with OCD gets really triggered. I haven't ridden this in boots yet. Kind of cool though. It's more nimble. It's got like the handle on the side, which is nice. I kind of wish I got the XR. I might end up getting it anyway and keeping the Pint. The Pint I feel like would be good if I ever travel, like I want to fly. This one can only, or is the only one that you can fly with. What's it called? TSA, FAA. The battery size, the only thing that's allowed to fly with. The Onewheel XR is, I guess, too big. So it's good for travel, good for throwing in the back for like the stunt lot. It's good for the stunt lot. It has that safe getting off thing, so where you just like slow down and then turns magenta and then shuts off, so you don't go backwards. You can turn that off. But I really like that feature. Besides that little like ability of just slowing down that way, you can slow down like you would with the XR, which is just come to a slow speed and then not do that. You can jump off, but you lift your heel up. I was off balance on that one. I still haven't figured out how to like properly move my feet around while I'm on there. So if I don't start like in a good position, then it feels all awkward for most of it. So like right now I feel like I'm a little too forward. My toes are hanging off. No, I don't want to race. I don't even want you next to me. Go ahead.
Let's see how this rides. Oh, no conking. I like this a lot more than I thought I would.
You like it a lot more?
I like it a lot more than I thought I would.
Hey, do you think the XR is easier to ride in a straight line than this, or like, is it the same? It feels the same?
This is a little more connected to your feet.
Yeah? You feel like?
I feel like this. The XR is a little, I guess, a little more stable.
Yeah.
But this is like perfect because it goes where.
Yeah.
Like this is fucking awesome.
What do you have? The Onewheel Plus or the XR?
I have an XR.
XR?
And I only get like a about 14 miles.
Yeah, because we're bigger. Yeah. So with the one wheel, like the Pint or the XR, you know, it's rated for X amount of miles per hour, X amount of range, but it's based on your weight. So if you're a bigger dude, plus 200, 6 foot, you're gonna get the low end of that range. Wait for me, guys. But I didn't think I'd like this as much as I do. Like, it's like when I first got on the Grom, just how much fun it is. And John was saying I gotta go on group rides because I guess that like just increases the level of excitement and fun on this guy. So I'm gonna try maybe do a motovlog on a one wheel. I don't know if I can wear my full helmet. Let's see what top speed is. So Lewis got 15.3, 14.9 tonight. 15.3 was absolute top speed on this. It's on the Skyline, which is like the crazy setting, I guess. No restrictions, more aggressive. I hit 14, 14.9 still. There's the pushback. Oh, I hit 15, 15.2. 15.2. Nice. So they sell like these little wheels. Whoa. Hey, you all right, bud? You're stuck. So anyway, 15.2, so you get pushback, but they sell these little wheels that go on the front. So what happens is with this pushback, if you push through it, pushback is basically the motor's telling you stop what you're doing for whatever reason. It might be speed, might be conditions, battery being low. But anyway, it's saying stop what you're doing. And if you keep doing it, it nosedives. So there's these little wheels that they sell. So if that nosedive, if the motor just disengages, at least you don't just, you know, go nosedive straight into pavement. It wheels out a little bit. Pushback. Oh, I hit 16. Holy shit. It said 16. It says 15.7 now, though. It showed 16. I saw it. All right, 15.7. So I beat Lewis's top score. Nice. Whew. I'm going to go tell Lewis the bad news. He no longer holds the top score on this video game. I beat you.
No, you didn't.
15.7, baby. Oh, shit.
Did you really?
Yeah. 15.7. It showed 16, but I hit 15.7 on this little thing. 15.7. You're up. Come on.
Hold on,
All right, Lewis is up. Let's see if Lewis can beat it. I'm gonna go back on the Grom. It's all yours. Good luck. Oh, all right. Don't break it.
Did it feel fast or no?
Yeah. Oh, it felt real fast. I looked down. It said 16. I was like, wait a minute. All right, 15.7. Good luck. Don't break something. Woo! That was good, right? Double back peggers, baby. That sounds double back peggers. Never go back to seat standards ever. Hey, 15.7. Can't beat it?
I don't know. I couldn't look at speed. That was scary.
16.2?
Oh, shit.
16.2, Lewis?
This pushing back so hard.
Lewis is 16.2. All right. I'm going to give you the win on that one. I'm not going to mess with that. You were going downhill? Lewis hit 16.2. Dang. Hey, try to hit 18.
No.
Woo. 16.2. I'm pretty impressed by that. I shouldn't have challenged Lewis. I should have just taken the 15.7 and called it a day. You want to carve? Hector's here. You want to float? It's in the crazy mode. Do you want it in the crazy mode or the normal mode?
That's good.
Like you can't. It doesn't do the stop thing. You gotta come to. You gotta slow down and you gotta lift your heel. Like it'll go backwards too.
Oh no. No.
Normal mode. We're going for records. Lewis got 16.2.
I'm not talking about that.
You gonna try and do that? All right, this is Hector, Red Aurora rider. He's only ridden it once by my house, so it's a good demonstration to see how easy it is to ride. First timers. So he rode it for about 5-10 minutes max. at my house. Once you go faster, the biggest sketchy thing is when you're getting on, it's so wobbly that you just need to lean forward and get it rolling. So it's just like riding a bike. If you get on the bike standing still, if you get on a bike standing still, get out of here. If you get on a bike standing still and you try to balance, it's going to buck you one way or the other just because of balance. But if you start moving, it's easier to stabilize. That's why you can ride with no hands and everything. That's what the Onewheel's about. Like as soon as you get on, you feel like you're buckling at your ankles, but then you start going, everything's okay.
Might go buy a pint.
Get the XR.
Do payments.
Dude, if you're gonna do payments, get the XR.
Some of yours then, and you go get an XR.
This is how the Grom started. One person got them, and then you let your friend ride it. Then another person gets one. Before you know it, you got a whole Grom squad. Are you fucking high? What's wrong with you?
A lot of things.
I said a lot of things. Oh, did you get that?
I didn't get the whole thing, we fell. I gotta use that, and then...
Save that. Oh my god. Why did that die? I think I took my heel off or something. Oh man. Look. Wheel slippage detected. Ow.
How did you crash into it?
I just hit it and then it just like died and nosedived. I think it shut off because maybe I took my heel off when I was going slow to hit him.
I wish I'd have got it.
That was so awesome. I tried to put my hand over Hector's Hector's cell phone and it like died. It like died out on me. Oh man, that hurt. I was going like 3 miles an hour there. That sucked, bro. It like just died.
You're rekilling it, then you see his hand pop up, bing, and then as soon as he did that,
it literally fucking died. Like I just hit it and then it just goes zook.
Oh, you didn't hit anything?
No, I didn't hit anything. I think I took my heel off or something and it just shut off. I just went straight down.
Damn it. I know, as soon as I made that circle, I seen the whole thing. I was fucking fell straight off of it. Hey.
Anyway, all right, we'll see you next year. Happy 2020, happy new year. Onewheels will be Onewheels, Supermotos, and Groms are coming to the channel. Plus, most importantly, a beautiful Princess Grommer into the family. So excited about that. All right, everybody, have a happy new year. I will see you in the next one. Boop.